Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about Espabion, also known as Trimebutine. In this video, I'll give you a complete guide on how and when to use this medicine. Does your stomach hurt? Do you have a lot of gas or suffer from irritable bowel syndrome? Well, Espabion could be your best friend. This medicine is mostly used to treat digestive problems. It also helps relieve the symptoms of colitis and other stomach and intestinal problems. And how does it work its magic? Trimebutine acts on the nervous system of your intestines, controlling how they move. Basically, it helps the intestinal muscles to work well, calming spasms and pain. Now, let's talk about how to take it. It's very important that you follow your doctor's instructions exactly. Normally, you start with a dose of 100 to 200 milligrams 3 times a day. When your symptoms improve, the doctor may lower the dose. Remember to take the medicine with a full glass of water, and at the same time every day. Let's talk about side effects and when to be careful. Some people may feel nauseous, dizzy, or even have allergic reactions. If you notice anything unusual while taking it, talk to your doctor right away. It is also important not to take Espabion if you have a bowel obstruction. In short, Espabion can be a great option to treat various digestive problems. Remember to follow the dosage recommended by your doctor and be aware of anything out of the ordinary. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask your doctor. Thanks for watching. Take care.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.